Page 31, CCSE, speed 100 word, start. Section 8C, read with Section 21C and 29, recovery of 5.067 kg of heroin, conviction and sentence, validity, case of prosecution not free from suspicion. Contraband was found in the room occupied by accused number 4. Prosecution has not produced any evidence to show that contraband was brought to the room of accused number 4 by other three accused persons or any one of them. Not the case that room of accused number 4 was in possession of accused numbers 1 to 3 appellants who were staying in different hotels. Prosecution not proved beyond a reasonable doubt that appellants were in possession of contraband or that they brought contraband to the hotel room of accused number 4. In the circumstances, conviction of appellants cannot be sustained. Accordingly, impugned judgment and orders set aside appellants acquitted of the charges alleged against them. Negotiable Instruments Act 1881, Sections 138, 139 and 118. Discharge of check, dishonor of check, acquittal validity. Execution of check is admittedly not under dispute. Case of defense limited only to issue as to whether check had been issued in discharge of debt oblique liability. Accused having miserably failed to discharge his evidential burden. That fact will have to be taken to be proved by force of presumption without requiring anything more from the complainant. Signature on the check in question having not been disputed and the presumption under section 118 and 139 having taken effect, complainant's case stood satisfied. Every ingredient necessary for sustaining conviction under section 138, accused not able to rebut statutory presumption contemplated by section 139. Case falls for interference, notwithstanding that both courts below have concurrently held in favor of accused. Impugned judgment of High Court set aside. Complaint filed under section 138 allowed respondent accused convicted with fine of twice the amount of the check in question, failing which he shall undergo simple imprisonment for 1 year. Sections 138 and 141. Complaint under section 138 filed in respect of dishonor of check issued from account of company. It is incumbent on part of the complainant to make necessary averments in complaint that at time when offence was committed, person accused was in charge of and responsible for conduct of business of company. This averment is essential requirement of section 141. Personal of complaint. Perusal of complaint goes to show that even though respondent number 2, director of company, arrayed as respondent, but there are no averments that respondent number 2 at time when offence was committed was in charge of and was responsible to the company for conduct of its business. No error committed by High Court in allowing writ petition filed by respondent number 2 and quashing entire proceedings, including summoning order passed by magistrate, placing reliance on the case of impugned order do not warrant any interference. Stop.